All right, we're gonna start this tutorial from the ground, just because I found a loophole. Now, so we're replacing the reflectors, right? And YouTube or other people will be telling you take off the panels to the back because the fronts are easy. You just pop it out with your hands like that, wheel protection shit. Pop it out, and there's like a pin in there. Just use a flathead, Phillips, whatever is like long enough to actually press it down. You can even use a flat patty thing. I can't say the name. I'll show you the tool in a bit. But anyway, for the back part, you can take off the screws if you want to take off your tire, because shit's a beat. So loophole, just go to where your muffler's at. Pretty much it. All right, hold up. So here's the muffler, right? There's a little hole right here. Just look up there. There's gonna be your pin right there. You can barely see it right there. But anyway, just pop it out and it shit comes right out. All right, so here's that little plug. Your new fucking reflectors has this. When you pop it out, you twist your old reflector, twist it off of that, and there's gonna be a light bulb. Just pull out the light bulb and click this in there. That's all you gotta do. And you just pop it in. That's it. Job done.